I'd like to give you an overview of the law of workers' compensation in South Carolina. First of all, workers' comp is a no-fault system. That means it doesn't matter whose fault the work accident was. Unlike a tort case or a personal injury case like a car wreck case or a slip and fall case or a medical malpractice case, in order to collect any damages, you'd have to prove that someone was at fault and caused you harm. It's not true in workers' comp. Workers' comp is a limited system of compensation. It is not based on fault. Workers' comp is based on the fact that you are doing your job and you get hurt. Generally, the defenses are if you were drunk or high, or if you were horseplay, or if you hurt yourself on purpose, then you can't recover for getting hurt at work. There are other defenses, but those are the main ones. So it doesn't matter whose fault the accident is. It could be the worker's fault, it could be the company's fault, and it could be an absolute pure accident act of God. And fault doesn't matter. You don't have to prove someone did wrong in order to collect damages in a workers' compensation case. The reason for that is most accidents on the job are truly just accidents. A person's doing their job and something happens that's unforeseen, unexpected, and they're injured. Before the 1930s, when workers' compensation laws came into effect all across America, an injured worker had to prove it was the company's fault to get any compensation for injuries, no matter how severe they were. So if the coal mine caved in and crushed 16 miners to their death, unless their family could prove the company did something wrong, like using cheap timber or not enough timber, and that caused the cave-in, they'd be moved off company property, the families would, and so they could use another worker in that house to do the coal mining work. Well, that's why workers' comp came into being. It's a limited system of benefits for pure accidents that happen at work. I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to look at the rest of my website, www.bryanramey.com. Bryan is with a Y. Or if you think you have a workers' compensation case, it's a free call to call my office and tell us about it. And it's free to make the call in Greenville, 295-AUGHT-AUGHT. That's 0000. In Spartanburg, 597-AUGHT-AUGHT. In Anderson, 226-AUGHT-60. If we think it's a case we can help you with, it's also free to come meet with us and get some more detailed information, and we'll let you know if we think we can help. This is Bryan Ramey. Thanks for watching.
Bryan Ramey takes care of your case so you can take care of you.